Hello, my name is Dr. Phil Anderson, and I am a professor of physics at the University of Texas at Dallas. My research specialty is space sciences, which is the study of the interaction of the sun and the near-planetary environment, and its effects on human technology. There is an interesting dichotomy in my field of physics. I know many devout Christians and atheistic or agnostic physicists. Yet we come to these beliefs using the same data. When I look at the universe, its structure, and the laws of nature, it is obvious to me that it is designed. Take the constants of nature. Everyone is familiar with pi, others include Einstein's coefficient, E, Planck's constant, etc. If just one of the many constants of nature were different in, say, the millionth decimal place, our universe would not exist. And these constants tie together to create the structure of the universe. This is my favorite example of that. This equation relates two constants of nature: pi, the circumference of a circle divided by its radius, and E, the base of the natural logarithm. These constants have completely diverse definitions, yet are related somehow by this one equation. Accident? I think not. I know many atheistic scientists who claim that in an infinite number of universes, anything is possible, and this relationship is just an accident. I think this is a cop-out. I happen to believe in a universe that is 13.7 billion years old. I believe that God created that universe and set things in motion, full well knowing what was going to evolve. Why can't evolution just be the way God chose to do it? You know, Genesis says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Then God said, 'Let there be light.' And there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness." I believe he is describing the Big Bang. There was a beginning to the universe, and scientists tell us that light was the first thing to be created in the Big Bang. Think about this. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on the earth. So next time you're at the beach or a desert or in a sand trap, take a handful of sand and let it dribble through your fingers. Then think about each one of those grains of sand as a star with planets around it. We now know that planets are ubiquitous in the universe. And then in all the beaches, deserts, etc. around the world, there are more stars in the universe. Also, think about this. The universe is now estimated to be about 13.7 billion years old. This has been verified by numerous disparate measurements and is fully accepted. If we collapsed it down to 1 year, the first written word would occur in the last 20 seconds of that year, and the voyages of Christopher Columbus would occur in the last second. Yet, given all of the immenseness in size and time, God actually gave us the minds and the ability to explain and comprehend it. Throughout the Bible, we are exhorted to use our minds to question and explore. I plan to continue to do so with a love of what God has provided to me. Albert Einstein said, "The further the spiritual evolution of mankind advances, the more certain it seems to me that the path to genuine religiosity does not lie through the fear of life and the fear of death and blind faith, but through striving after rational knowledge. My religion consists of a humble admiration of the illimitable spirit, superior spirit, who reveals himself in the slight details we are able to perceive with our frail and feeble minds."